chill in the air. It's great to feel that. Paying attention to the now, that mindfulness, paying attention to your senses can really help you get out of that worry loop, get out of that worry habit, to get a break from it. Okay, so let's go on a therapy walk. Go, Buck. Good boy. Good boy. Breathing in that clean, fresh air. Good boy. Now, hopefully, you can notice if your mind wanders, and if instead of soaking in this nature, if you switch to some worrisome thought. And if you do, just try to notice it and let it go and soak in this moment. Good boy. Good boy. And here's a picture of one of those buffaloes that used to roam. 40 million buffalo once roamed America.